Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia D. I'm all about beauty, fashion, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you these bundles. I've already washed them, but the first intro didn't turn out good, so I'm refilming it. But I'm going to be washing these bundles and seeing how they hold up. Basically, I started my own hair business and I'm testing out my products. So yeah, let's get into it. I also wanted to let you guys know when I do go and get my bundles installed, you know, to test them out, I will be bringing you guys along with me to show the process. So that'll be cool. So some of the things that we'll be using today is shampoo with the shea butter and avocado whole blends. Also the conditioner of whole blends. We're going to be using this as a leave-in conditioner, the Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. And then some cocoa butter for our oil. So you just want to go ahead and saturate it and make sure that you get it all ready to start washing it and conditioning it the way that it needs to be. The hair was okay, but due to the fact that it's not really what I'm looking for, I won't be using it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and condition it, and yeah. Make sure as you're rinsing it that you get all the product out. You definitely don't want the bundle to be weighed down with product or anything. Most important part of bundle maintenance is keeping them moisturized, so you want to go ahead and add your conditioner and your oil and just repeat the process over. I don't know what I was doing here, but I actually put conditioner on before the shampoo. Like what? Okay, so these are the 3 bundles. There's a 12, a 14, and a 16, I believe. And these are wavy. So these are wash, conditioned, and I put some oil on them. So we'll just wait and see what happens. I'm gonna let them air dry this time. When I go for my hair appointment, I'll take you guys with me, and more likely they'll blow the hair out. So we'll see what happens. Hair appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the process of what I do to make clip-ins. Even though you have difficulties, the show must go on. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll be back in a moment. So to get started, you're gonna need some clips. I got these from Sally's. And then you're also going to need a needle I also got this from Sally's. And of course your bundle. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So first things first, I want to show you guys how to, well, I'm sure you probably know how to thread a needle by now, but I want to kind of show you guys how to do it. So you just want to pull it through and loop it, and then now you have your thread and needle so you can sew the clips on. Alright, so what you're wanting to do is take it and measure out the length, and I want mine to be from here over to this way. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it off, and I'll show you guys the process of me actually sewing the wefts on. And make sure you put these on with this side facing out. I've done it a couple of times where I put it on backwards, so that's why I say that. Alright, so you just place that there and then start to sew it on. And you want to just pull it all the way through. And I'm just going back through the same loop again. I'm gonna pull it tight. So then the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and cut the string. Tie it off like so. I usually double and sometimes triple knot mine, only because I like making sure that it's secure. And then you just want to clip off these extra pieces of string. And there you go. The clip is on there, nice and secure, nice and firm. For this one, I'll probably do about maybe 2 or 3 clips. It just depends. But I'll come back and show you guys once I've done the other clip. I tied it 3 times. Okay, so I sectioned off the next piece. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Alright, so in this clip, I'm basically perfecting it and tying it off. Just wanted to jump back in for a second here. You guys want to always make sure that you cut the strings off so that they're not sticking out when you put the clips in. As you can see, I was really starting to struggle at this point. And I got it, but you guys get the idea, you just continue on, so I'll go ahead and speed it up from here. Okay, so again, you just want to take it, tie it off, and cut the string off, and there you go. And here I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like. Again, no, I'm not selling this hair. The quality is okay, but right now I'm just testing everything out. I'm just looking for something a little different, if that makes sense. As you can see, I'm serving looks today. Go ahead, girl. If you're still here and you're still watching, thank you so much for coming to the end. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.